When we sit down to eat, we don't normally think about all the natural resources that have gone into growing this food. The water requirements to produce certain foods are a lot more than others. If we think about growing a pound of beef versus growing a pound of sweet potatoes, we have to look at the natural expenditure of water within both of those crops. To grow the pound of beef, we still have to grow the grain for the cow to eat, so that's a lot of water right there. In fact, it takes 25 times more water to grow a pound of beef than it is to grow a pound of sweet potatoes. So if we imagine we have a bathtub, and that bathtub is about 50 to 60 gallons, well, a pound of sweet potato to grow from seed to crop is only 60 gallons. But a pound of beef takes 2,500 gallons of water to return that food for you for consumption, and this is a lot more taxing on the natural environment. So why is this important? Well, imagine that this is all of the water that we have on Earth. 97.5% of that is salt water, so that only leaves us with 2.5% Earth's fresh water. And, well, 70% of that is unavailable glacier ice, so that only leaves us with 0.75 Earth's unfrozen fresh water. And, well, 58% of that is polluted. So that leaves us with Earth's available fresh, unpolluted water at 0.32%. 92% of this water is used by industry and agriculture. So what are we left with? 0.0252% of Earth's usable water. That's not a lot of water. As you can see, the water resources from the food that we grow has a global impact.